Good Monday morning, everyone, from Navarre Beach Pier. It's Monday, November the 18th. It's about 7 a.m. Low clouds, and looks like the surf is kicking up a bit. 75 degrees, high humidity, with about a 10-mile-an-hour breeze out of the southeast. And we're supposed to have a tropical storm to be affecting our area by Tuesday night, Wednesday. But thanks for watching Navarre, Florida Fishing Channel on YouTube. So let me take a walk out here and I'll let you know what's going on. For now, check out this beach. It's pretty empty. It usually is about this time of year, regardless of the weather. But looks like they're after some, I can see right now they're after some whiting. So let me walk a little further and I'll check out what's going on, what's being caught. Hopefully there's some fish. So I heard they were catching some pompano here at mid-pier, small pompano. They weren't keeper size. Hardtail?
Yeah.
No Spanish?
No.
Oh.
No Spanish.
Well, how you doing? Killing it?
A couple small ones.
Uh-huh. So let's take a walk down to the end of the pier, the octagon as it's called, and see what's going on. There's a lot of people still there, but it looks not much happening, but it's worth taking a look and take a walk, take a look-see. They have been pulling up some Spanish, but it's been sporadic. I hear total since early in the morning about 12 keeper-sized Spanish at the end of the pier at the octagon. Also caught a king mackerel. They've been catching mid-pier. They've been catching some pompano, a couple of pompanos, but they weren't keeper size. And of course, the whiting on the beach have moved out since the water has been stirred up by this approaching storm. We have a storm headed this way, probably start affecting our weather Tuesday night and Wednesday. And probably not much, just a lot of rain, but it is stirring up the water quite a bit. So, I haven't been able to catch too much fishing action. The fishing is so sporadic. One guy will catch a fish over here on one end, and I'm at the opposite end, or by the time I get there, it's already in the ice chest. So I haven't been able to catch much fishing action, but I certainly will strive for that. And when, of course, the fishing picks up, I'll catch it. I'll try to record as many as possible. So yeah, as you can see, just a lot of relaxation, and it's very nice, very pleasant out here. So if you have a chance, come on out and visit us. Thanks for watching.